and welcome back to this channel. My name is Martha Makwata, and today I'm back again with one of the most exciting videos of all times. So if you've not subscribed, kindly take a moment and subscribe so that you join this amazing YouTube family. So today I'm bringing to you a video that I know most of you will like, especially my age mates and above. Those who are younger might not like it because it does not appeal to them, of course. But those who are my age and above, if you've not subscribed, I'm giving you a moment to go and subscribe right now. So I'll count 5, then start the video. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So today I'm going to share with you in my series of juicing, healthy juicing, the one we've been doing. I'm going to share with you a recipe that will help us with memory loss. Yes, memory loss. I'm sure most people, once you hit a certain age, it's not easy. You go into a room and you're asking yourself, what did I come here to pick? So today I'm going to share with you a recipe that will help us with this. So stay tuned. I share this recipe. Today we are not going to the kitchen. We are just showing it here, then we take it together. So kindly like, share, subscribe if you know people who have such issues, and let us enjoy this together. So as you can see in front of us, we have a smoothie, and it's not just a normal everyday smoothie that you make and enjoy. I just want to quickly share the ingredients that have gone into this smoothie. So as we said, we are helping ourselves with memory loss. And so into this beautiful, very healthy smoothie, we have half a mango, very ripe mango, half of it. We have 1 apple. We have 2 tablespoons of raisins. And we have a cup of soy milk. Is it soy or soya? I call it soya, but because our videos will get to different audiences, let's just call it soy. So soy milk. And soy is in replacement of coconut milk. If you have coconut milk, please use that. So that is what went into this. What I did is to just combine the ingredients into a blender, blend them together, and my smoothie is ready to enjoy. So as much as it is filling, it fills the stomach, it will also go into helping me with memory loss. So that if I stand up here and I'm going for my keys, I know where they are. If I stand up here and I'm going to pick something in the kitchen, I go and pick it up. So yes, that's what went into this, and it is for memory loss. Kindly prepare yours and enjoy together with me as I enjoy mine. So as shared, my smoothie is right here. I'm ready to enjoy the smoothie. We all know what went in. So if you see these dark things that are appearing, it's because some of the raisins did not blend in so well. So I'm ready to enjoy mine. Kindly prepare yours. We enjoy together. It is such a nutritious smoothie, very sweet. Because of the raisins and the sweetness that went inside. Remember, it's a ripe mango, a sweet apple, raisins, and a cup of soy milk. So prepare yours. Let's defend our memories. So until the next one, bye for now.